Merry Christmas, the most difficult kick in martial arts. Tutorial. Breakdown. Jean-Claude Van Damme can do this kick, the so-called king of kicks. Joe Rogan cannot do this kick. MJW cannot do this kick. Adkins cannot do this kick. Bruce Lee, however, can. Let's get into this video, guys. Now, first of all, yes, there's a most difficult kick in martial arts, and it's not gonna be the one you guys think. Also, why most martial artists, 99% of them cannot do this kick is pretty simple. It's called lack of a stretch. Lack of stretching. Lack of stretching, and not disciplines. Okay, the most difficult kick is not dependent on the splits. It's dependent on a more difficult one that most people cannot do, and that is this one. It is the side splits, but not just the side splits. Don't leave it, there's another thing to it. This is not enough. If you can do this side split, and even hold it like this, but you cannot bring your nose past your knee, like right here. You just hold it there. Then you're gonna suck at this kick. Here's why. It comes. It touches your chest in this direction. It goes all the way up straight, and then takes contact with your chest. You have the straight one, the stretch kick. Same one that Bruce Lee does in Enter the Dragon. He does this. Followed up by this. That's the stretch kick, okay? Now the axe kick goes this way. It goes this way. Okay? And you guys may think, oh, but I've seen Van Damme do it. Have you? Yeah, in Tank Up, he throws one like this with no power. And Double Team, he throws one with the Asian guy when he gets the foot stuck on the wall with the knife. He does this again. You know, he doesn't touch his chest. He can do a side split, but he cannot go all the way down, and he doesn't know how to do it this way. Many people don't have the flexibility in the back nor the legs to pull this kick off. Okay, now, there's a much more difficult version of this kick, and that's the kick you guys see me do in the beginning. It's the tornado axe kick. So what are you doing in the tornado axe kick? You are spinning like this, jumping in the air, bring your leg all the way up here, and landing with the heel. It's a very dangerous kick. It's actually my most dangerous kick. It's not even the wheel kick. I'm nice when I knock people out with the wheel kick, because I could be knocking them out with a tornado axe kick. Just look at the difference, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. This is one of my best kicks. If not my best kick in fighting. Bakker! Look how fast that was. And I went all the way up and down. I'm gonna do one more time. Bakker! You guys see how fast that is? That versus my typical wheel kick, which is how I knock most people out here in Holland, or the kick to the liver, right? So, the most difficult kick in martial arts is the axe kick. Most martial artists can't do it. They can't do it. You will never see MJW, Scott Adkins, Joe Rogan, or Van Damme doing this kick. But I just did right now, you won't see these guys doing that. It's because these guys are not anywhere near the level of a real master with natural talent who trains all the fucking time like I do. Alright, not only that, I've been in street fights, I've been a bouncer, I've done it all when it comes to kicks. I know how to low kick, I know how to touch kickbox. I know many things. These guys are like way below my feet, okay? Now, I'm gonna expose something else with this. Van Damme's tutorial. Van Damme had a tutorial, or he was trying to make a program of stretching where he supposedly teaches everybody to do splits, and he tells everybody, if I can do, and Jake can do, Jake is a student of his that's taking this program, then you can do. And then when you see Jake do the splits, it kind of goes like this. Van Damme says, Jake, kick, and then Jake, not Jake, Jake goes like that, looks like a weak ass high left kick. And Jake, do splits. And then Jake goes into a side splits like this. And he even goes down like that, which is great. But where's the Van Damme splits? I mean, all those students want to learn this splits, not that splits. Why is that guy going that splits? I'll tell you guys what, because most people are flexible in that direction. Most people that can do any kind of splits, they can go in this direction. And not here, and not on that side. Most people, not everybody, right? So, that's why that guy goes in that direction only. So, if Van Damme is so good at teaching fucking people the splits, how come he didn't get a guy to do it like this? They're not hard to find, you could have got me to do it. or anybody else, like in Samurai, for example. But he didn't. Why? He doesn't want people outdoing him on camera. Jean-Claude Van Damme is very narcissistic. Okay, so he doesn't want other people outdoing him. That's why he brings somebody to do a different kind of splits, but not the splits that he does, right? This is Van Damme, guys. He's just very highly narcissistic. He doesn't like anybody outdoing him. He always has people next to him who kind of suck worse than him, and if they don't, if they're better than him, he makes sure that they don't outshine him. So the program's bullshit, and the flexibility in the hips, it's a genetic thing. If you have a long one like I do, a long firmer, it's like this, you can go this way. Some people have a shorter one, they will never get there, they can only go this far, it's their limit. And other people have an even shorter hip movement, and it's just a genetic thing. You need to have physical gifts in order to be able to go all the way like that. So, and now moving on to Joe Rogan, that he is the most harshest critic of kicks that exists. Are you fool? Are you? Joe Rogan quit at 19. He started at 15, so he hasn't been doing it that long. Okay? Between 15 and 19 he trained. That's it. He started late. At 15 I was second degree black belt already, fool. And I never stopped. I've been training all my life. My fourth dad, he's the first dad. So he's not the most harshest critic of kicks. He says Michael Joe White kicks perfect when he doesn't. Michael Joe White can even kick above his head. I've done many videos on this. Michael Joe White cannot kick higher than his own head level. He just has many tricks on camera to make it look like he can, and he doesn't have any fighting experience, he can't fight. So he's already overrating a guy that's just way overrated, right? And Joe Rogan himself, his kicks are kind of crappy. He has okay middle kicks, his low kick sucks, his kickboxing sucks, his high kicks suck as well. He's not that good, guys, okay? And Van Damme only kicks with the right leg. I already rated Van Damme. So that said, I'm gonna finish this video with, if you guys want to see me rate famous people, I have a playlist. It'll be linked over here. If you guys want to see a playlist of me exposing Joe Rogan, link here. A long playlist of me exposing Michael Joe White, click here. And here's a playlist of me exposing Scott Adkins. Till the next video, guys. Catch you later.